gonna happen. I think it's gonna happen. We're live at the BDH. Imagine creating such a iconic, amazing place talked about around the world. That's right, we are live from the BDH. What's going on? I think it's gonna happen. I think Rips is gonna come to the BDH. I mean, I think he smells the money. Woo! Woo! I think we gotta have a trading competition. We gotta have a push-up competition. We gotta do it all. Maybe a running. Maybe we can do some sprinting, some pull-ups. It's gonna be the battle of the ages, my friends. Everybody is gonna want to watch this. This is gonna be some must-watch entertainment. It's gonna be something. So, what's cracking? Tahuti, what's good? We're live, doing it once again from the BDH. That's right, it's the BDH. Joe Wolf, with all of your trading profit, do you invest it in stocks? And which ones do you like? No, I don't buy stocks. I buy cars. Clearly not a good investment. Don't listen to me. I have no long-term investment, just literally buying cars. I gotta change my shirt right now, by the way. Forgot about my shirt change. All right, new shirt, who dis? Who dis? All right. What do you think's on the front of the shirt? What do you think? Let's see. Hey, it's the Big Dick House. BDH. We've also got some other cool stuff here. I wanted to show this. This is a YouTube subscriber built this for me. It's a piece of wood that has been built. Pretty cool, man. I'm gonna put this on the wall. So big thank you. I forgot your name. Michael, I believe. So Grumpy Woodworker. Big thank you for sending this to the BDH. How cool is that? Very cool. Got the rooster on there. I like it. And put it on the wall, baby. Thank you for that. Really cool. My dad used to be a big woodworking guy, so it's cool, man. I've met a lot of YouTube subscribers over the years, and everybody has always been very nice. I've never met any haters in real life, which is weird because it seems like there's always a lot of haters, but I've honestly, in 8 years of trading live on YouTube, I've never met one hater in real life. I don't know if it's just because they don't, if they don't come up and talk to me in real life or what, but I don't know. It's weird. And it's not like I've never been, in a public place before. I go to the car shows, I go all over the place. People see me, they talk to me, they come up to me, but never any haters. I don't understand. Why is that? All right, right now, Nasdaq holding up there at the VWAP for now. Holding up the VWAP, this 21,300 level. Pretty big kind of move back up here yesterday. Do we get another big dump today? We got NVIDIA earnings after hours today. NVIDIA. Did you and Rips squash your beef? I mean, I don't know if we squashed it, but I think, what they say, keep your friends close, but keep your enemies closer. Nah, I think a lot of the drama and a lot of the stuff that went down with between me and Rips, a lot of it was fueled by Top Step. You know, I think Top Step really fueled the fire. They wanted me and Rips to be enemies. You know, they didn't want us to be friends. That's kind of how they want to control it, right? Top Step wants, they don't want people thinking that Patrick Wieland is good at trading. They don't want people thinking that Patrick Wieland is good at live streaming, because obviously they're my competition now. So I think a lot of it was just kind of drama that Top Step really tried to push. So I think that's, yeah. And it is what it is. So I think if Rips comes to the BDH, we'll probably have a really good time, and probably make a lot of money. And, you know, is it a coincidence that Rips is now trading with Apex? I don't know. Maybe, maybe not. But it seems like everybody's leaving Top Step for some reason. I don't know. The only person staying at Top Step is fucking Dakota, because he's got, you know, MP's dick deep in his butthole. So it's hard to leave. But I definitely know that they're not getting paid anywhere near what I get paid. So that's all that matters here. That's all that matters here. I always like saying stuff on the internet and then wondering, am I gonna get a cease and desist when I say this? Isn't that like such a fun thing to do? You know, you think like you're like, in my head, I'm like, okay, if I say this, if the next thing that comes out of my mouth, if I say this, there's a good chance that I might get a cease and desist. But YOLO, baby, YOLO. You know? No, my favorite is the other day, Michael was talking about how Dakota's allowed to trade with any prop firm. He can trade with any prop firm. That's weird, because all Dakota ever does is just on MP's nuts. So you're not going to sit here and tell me that, is it a coincidence that Dakota defends Top Step constantly while getting paid by Top Step? I don't know. Is it a coincidence? I don't know. Luckily for me, you know, I've got Tradeify, I've got Take Profit Trader, I've got Apex, I've got My Funded Futures, I've got DayTraders. I mean, I've got them all. So at the end of the day, like, I'm going to trade and I'm going to use and I'm going to talk about whoever I think is the best opportunity, really, you know? I'm not required to only talk about one company. And that's the best part about being PW at the BDH. It's a good place to be at. So I know I haven't gotten any cease and desist so far this year. I'm waiting. I think people figured out that it's pretty much a waste of time sending me a cease and desist, and it just fuels the fire even more. So maybe I'll say something about somebody soon and I'll get one. Maybe. Is 30 Days of Green my personal best? Yeah, I think so. I don't want to brag, but I think so. 30 Days of Green, it is official. Oh, God, no, don't get my fucking, oh God, there's my fucking, oh God, now everyone's gonna log into my account and steal all my money. Damn it. Fuck. JK. But yeah, here's my stats. 30 days of green in these Tradeify accounts. We don't need to trade anymore. Basically, on Monday, March 1st, or wait, March 3rd, we will request a payout from Tradeify, and then we'll get moved into a live account probably. So I'm pretty happy with it. You know, I think I set a goal for myself. You know, I told myself that I wanted to get that 30 days of green, 0 losing days, 131 trades. Oh God, sorry. 131 trades here. And yeah, let's see, if we just turn into one account, you can see. So yeah, 26 trades. That's pretty fucking nuts. 26 trades in a row now, and I have not had one loser in these accounts. Well, one losing day, one red day. I've obviously had losing trades, but what's crazy is like, look at this shit. I've only out of what was that? Out of 88 trades, I've had 18 losers and I've had 70 winners. I mean, that's pretty wild. You know, that's pretty fucking wild, guys. $30,000 in profit. I think I actually made more than that because I don't know if this shows the payouts or not. I've taken two $15,000 payouts for $30,000 with Tradeify here. Yeah, and there it is. Look at that. 88 total trades to make 30,000. Right? 88 trades, winning trades 70, losing trades 18, max consecutive trades, winning trades 26. Average daily P&L 1,000. Largest profitable day 3,000. I mean, somebody said I'm early. Don't you sleep? Bro, I wake up at 5 o'clock every morning. I go to the gym and then I come to the BDH and get ready to fucking dominate. You know, I'm an athlete. I am an athlete. You know, I'm like a professional athlete. I'm training. I'm getting ready. I'm building. I'm ready. Ain't nobody gonna stop me. I'm ready. I'm ready. Oh, Lord. I'm ready. He's ready. I also just booked a house. I just booked a house in Hawaii for a month. I'm going to be in Hawaii in July for a month straight. I'm looking forward to that, honestly. It'll be nice to just get away for a month. Going to be on the Big Island on Kona. And I've also booked, so I'm going to be in Hawaii for like 35 days. And out of the 35 days, I'm going to fish for 25 days. That's not bad. That's not bad. That ain't bad. All right, what a move overnight here. Nasdaq just kind of grinding higher here overnight. Looking at the hourly chart, I mean, this has kind of been the story, right? The last few days, we've had these kind of like move up overnight and then at open just straight down. So we'll see how it goes. How's your boy Danny doing? I think he's in Mexico, living the dream, doing drugs and hanging out with hookers. Nothing wrong with a little Mexican fun, you know? When in Mexico, you got to live it up, baby. Obviously, I don't know if they're hookers, but I can't imagine that an actual woman would want to hang out with Danny Trades without being paid. That's messed up. That is messed up, man. I'm fucked up. I got proof of it too. Don't even say that, Patrick. Danny's not in Mexico with hookers. There's no way. I got proof of it. I know everything. Look at this. There he is. I don't even know how I get this. People just send me this stuff. I don't even know if he knows. Like, I think somebody at the dinner table literally took this photo and then sent it to me. Like, what the fuck? How did they get this photo? I don't even understand. What is he doing? Living La Vida Loca in Mexico, I guess. And I got more. The proof is in the pudding. Look. Oh, Danny's been looking at the little boobies. Danny looking at them big old boobies over there. Danny got a new girlfriend. Danny got a new girlfriend. 1000% any woman with a neck tattoo has high mileage. Oh gosh. To be honest, I'm not really into women with tattoos. You know, I'm always like, my whole thing is like, you don't put a fucking, bumper sticker on a Ferrari. You just don't. You don't put a fucking bumper sticker on a Ferrari. Don't do it. That's not the way. So, yeah, I honestly don't think I've ever. I mean, I might have like experienced it, but I've never dated a girl with tattoos. Not that there's anything wrong with tattoos, because obviously I've got them. I've got where are they at? I got tattoos. I've got tattoos, but I'm not a Ferrari. I'm like a fucking Mack truck. I'm beat and bruised. I'm beating and I'm bruising. All right, so like I said, I mean, this would really be like the perfect spot, right? Oh, these fucking glasses. What am I wearing? These glasses. This would be the perfect spot for them to crash it down once again if we continue this pattern that we've been in. If we look, daily chart, we kind of got into that 21,000 support area, which was a big range since like December, basically. I know it looks crazy with all the pivot points on there, but just to kind of illustrate that we have this big old kind of support level down here at this 21,000 area, really. Does that mean we're going to go up? Does it mean it's going to go down? I don't know, But we did push. Looking at the daily chart right now. Yesterday's daily candle was the first daily candle in the last, I guess, 2 days, 3 days, where we had that wick on the bottom. So showing that there were some buyers, stepping in down there, so. So we'll see. I mean, if you're a long-term, like if you're a swing trader, if you're investing long-term, there's probably buyers, that are like, hey, I want to get long down here, right? Does that mean the market's going to go straight back up? No, but just kind of a little bit of a thought process, talking out loud here. We've got NVIDIA earnings after hours today. So I think after NVIDIA earnings, we should get a better direction for Thursday and Friday. Everybody kind of waiting to see NVIDIA. Let's look at NVIDIA here really quickly. I rarely look at NVIDIA, but let's look at it. NVIDIA pulling back, very similar to obviously the Nasdaq. NVIDIA's got some support down there, like the 116 area. No, I don't know. What do you guys think? What is the chat? What's the chat thinking? Up or down today? or down. Nvidia right now. Nvidia kind of looking a little bearish. That's the only thing I'd be worried about. If Nvidia starts pulling back here at open, where does it want to go? Got a gap here in the chart, 120 area. And then you've got this previous month low as well down there, 116. In other news, I can't talk about it, but I've heard about some really big stuff coming for Apex. Stuff you guys are gonna. I mean, I'm pretty excited for it, to be honest. Like, I think it's gonna be good for me as a trader, but also for you guys as well as traders. Should be fun. So. Are they going to pay out now? No payouts. No. We don't get payouts. Just we get a trade, you know? I just like, you know, it's more fun just to, just trade and never make money. Right, you know? You know what I'm most pissed about right now, though? Like, I'm pissed about the fact that I don't have my fucking racing simulator yet. You know, like, I paid $50,000 for a goddamn racing simulator, and where the fuck is it? It's supposed to be over there. The whole BDH is looking all fucking weird because I didn't got my racing simulator. Freaking, they told me 6 weeks. Right now, it's like been 9 weeks. Bullshit. Look at Daniel Hussey. $17,000 payout. Daniel, will you leave some money for the rest of us, bro? Leave some money for everybody else, you greedy bastard. Is it practice before taking the GT3? No, it's just going to be something, a toy, basically. Got to put Ginger on them. She's on them. I don't know. I think it's probably worse to have me on them than to have Ginger on them. She seems a little nicer. Hi, Patrick. Carlos from Brazil. What do you think about gold? I don't think about gold, to be honest. I really don't. I don't think about anything other than what I'm looking at, right? You know, like, I really don't. Like, people are always like, what do you think about this? I don't really think about it. Like, it doesn't cross my mind ever. Like, I'm never sitting here going like, what do I think about gold today? Or like, what do I think about crude oil? Nope. It never crosses my mind. Like, I never even, my brain, never. Patrick, what do you think about thinking? I try not to think. Best plan as well. Don't think, just trade. Don't try to be I've learned, I will give you one piece of advice for people that are watching. There's 1,800 people watching. Everybody else who shows up later, they're not going to get this advice. So if you're here right now, congratulations. You're about to get the most amazing advice you could ever get. The smartest traders are normally not the most profitable traders, right? And you might wonder why. Because if you're overly analyzing every little move, if you're overly like trying to figure out where the market's going to go instead of just simply trading bull flags and bear flags, you end up either not taking trades, you end up either just like trying to fight the trend. I think I've noticed that a lot of like very analytical, like very like detail oriented traders end up being, a lot of times they end up being contrarians, in the sense of they don't want to follow the trend, because when you're too smart and you think you're a genius, what happens? Well, then you start to believe that you know where the top and where the bottom is. So I don't think really like being smart has anything to do with trading. I think being disciplined has a lot to do with trading, and then maybe like not being that smart, because I'm not that smart, to be honest. Like, I'm not a genius. Well, maybe I am, but I'm not I try not to be a genius, because again, I don't want to have this like mindset where I know, you know, like, hey everybody, I'm so smart, I know exactly what the market's going to do, because I have no clue. You know, if I see a bull flag, if I see a bear flag, well, then I might, you know, have like an idea what's going to happen. But just simply being smart does not make you a better trader, you know? But are they really that smart if they don't know you can never know where the top and bottom is? Well, you would think that. But again, I think there are people out there who, you know, like, they're like very analytical. Like, I see it a lot of times with like ICT traders. ICT traders, you know, they'll sit there all day long and like make excuses on why they don't take a trade. You know, like, oh, I didn't take a trade today because this happened. You know, I didn't do this. And it's like, I think every day there are opportunities to make money every single day in the market. It's just about being patient. You know, you might not always get a 100-point move set up, but I think there are always opportunities. This thought process that you know, you shouldn't trade on days with news, or, oh, you shouldn't do this or shouldn't do that. Like, that all just becomes just a bunch of bullshit that you're like basically creating excuses to why you're not following the trend. You know, that's not being smart. It's just being prideful. Yeah, maybe. But again, like I said, like, some of the most successful traders that I've met are not like geniuses by any means. They're just like smart enough to know that you can't know where the top and bottom is, I guess. J-Max said the part that he finds himself struggling with is trailing the trades. I mean, that's just experience, right? The longer that you trade, the more times that you get out early, the more times that you build up that muscle memory, you get to a point where like, hey, like, I know that I can hold these trades a little longer, right? Like, I've seen it. Like, for the last month, I've gotten out early, and I know that like if I just give myself a little bit more room, if I'm a little bit more patient, well, then I can go, you know? Do you ever take trades? Do you ever take trades before open? I try not to, but it does happen. What people said, what are the levels that I'm looking for? Well, we do have the gap. Yesterday's close down there, 21,149. We got the VWAP right here. We've got a pivot point, 21,200, 21,150. I mean, this is looking like a repeat of Monday and Tuesday. We could just fucking, maybe this could be a kind of a good day for that double bottom, right? Maybe if we dip down here, we double bottom at that 21,000 area. And then when the NVIDIA earnings comes out, the market goes to the moon. I don't know. We're being patient. We're waiting. We're watching. We got some cool stuff here as well. People always sending me goodies. We got LuxAlgo sending me some swag. I think the hat's a little small, but it's not my fault my head's so big, man. Look at that thing. God. It's adjustable. It's adjustable. It's adjustable. Don't worry. Got a little LuxAlgo mouse pad. Oh, how nice. Let me put this on. I don't know if I can use this. Let me see. Oh, I don't know. don't know about that. I don't know if I can do that one. What else we got in here? Oh, we got some LuxAlgo shirts. Oh, LuxAlgo shirts. What else we got? We got a jacket. In case it rains, starts raining money. Gonna start raining money here at the BDH. Oh, I like this. Here we go. Little mug. We got a mug. Oh, look at that. Oh, LuxAlgo. We'll pour some of this Trump vodka in my cup here. Trump vodka, a little cup. You know. What else? What else we got? Bro, I don't think they got the LuxAlgo guys. They sent me all the t-shirts got little logos on them. Oh, here we go. This is nice. Got a little hoodie. I always like a good hoodie, but not that it's ever cold enough in Florida. Sometimes it gets cold. Got a little hoodie. Oh God, we got all the goodies. Big thank you from LuxAlgo for sending over all the fun stuff. The life of a professional athlete, you know, it's just hard out here, people. I'm gonna grab some water, and right now Nasdaq below the VWAP here, pivot point down there, 190s, and then that dotted dot line being our gap fill. So we'll see what happens at open today. And I gotta go to the bathroom. That's my excuse to go to the bathroom. I need water. I need water. All right, all right. What's the best broker to trade with your own money? Are you talking about futures? Or are you talking about stocks? Because futures, it's a little different. If you're interested in having your own personal account for trading futures, hit up my friends at optimusfutures.com. Optimus Futures, they'll hook you up. Do you trade on indication you have on the chart or just purely price action? A little bit of both. Have you ever trained in martial arts? Does jujitsu count? Jujitsu? Is that a martial art? I think so. That's right. We're gonna add to the metallic today. I'm gonna pour my metal water bottle into my metal cup. Tastes different. I think there's something wrong with it. I might just start dying right now. Why do I not trade gold? The guy in the chat asking why I don't trade gold, because I don't fucking trade gold. Well, you know, like, why don't you go ask Michael Jordan? Why does Michael Jordan not fucking play soccer? You know, why does Leo Messi not fucking play badminton? I don't know, man. We're good. You figure out something you're good at and then you fucking just keep doing it. Why the fuck would I trade gold for? God. Can your strategy be applied to Forex? Yes, it can. For date night, Porsche, Lambo, or Raptor? GT 500. GT 500 America, baby. All right, right now Nasdaq sitting here at the VWAP. VWAP. What does it mean? I don't know. What I do know is 80% off with Apex right now. Apex is got some new stuff coming out in the future as well. I think a lot of traders are going to be really excited about. So we'll see. Looking at the hourly chart right now, we got a pivot point there, 217 on the hourly chart. We're sitting at the pivot at the VWAP there, 278s. 10-minute chart. That 200, there's a pivot point on the hourly chart and on the 10-minute chart, 15-minute chart down here at the 21,200 level. And then dot, dot, dot down there being the gap fill. So where's Gary at? Gary! Gary! Where'd Gary go? Gary? Gary? The 80% off is not 80% off of the activation fee. You gonna surf? Like right now? Want me to go surfing right now? Alex, can we get a rev? We could, maybe. The funny part is the 911, the GT3 RS, it's still not even broken in yet. It's still not even broken in yet. I got to get it over 900 miles to be officially broken in. Hey, there we go. We got our guy here. This is Living the Grumpy. This is what he built for me. So, big thank you. I gotta find a place to put it. Somewhere sick. Somewhere sick. Somewhere sick. Nasdaq looking like she wants to go straight down here at open, but let's see what happens. Are you getting the 2025 Escalade? Probably not. 2024 Escalade is just fine for me. I already spent $150,000 on one Escalade. Do I need to go buy another one? You know, like, yeah. Goddamn Escalades. Remember when Escalades used to be cool? I remember being a kid and being like, damn, Escalade, man, that's some real pimp shit right there, dog. Look at that gangster in his Escalade. When is the GT 500 coming back? Oh, it should be done at least with the wrap. I think it's going to be done this week. And then we got to drop it off to get the engine worked on. If you could only have one car as your daily driver, what would it be? Fuck. One car, like ever? Never any other car ever? That's a hard question. Probably a Raptor, honestly. The Raptor is probably the most fun daily driver for a truck. Like, I gotta have a truck for a daily driver. I'm just, I'm a redneck. Honestly, the F-250 that I have, the F-250, it's a limited edition F-250. It's got the high output diesel. It's pretty fast as well, but it's just kind of big and hard to move around. Definitely not a Cybertruck. Definitely not a Cybertruck. How many cars do you have? I've got the GT3 RS. I've got the GT 500. I've got the twin turbo STO Lamborghini. I've got the Lamborghini Aventador. I've got the F-250 Super Duty. And then I've got the Escalade V. So, got a few of them. Honestly, that Escalade is pretty badass too. It's really good. That's like a really nice driving car. And it's got 650 horsepower, all-wheel drive. It sounds like a goddamn Corvette. So, it's pretty fun to drive as well. Patrick, what would you do if you didn't do YouTube every day? I guess we'll just never know. All right, Nasdaq dipping down here. Was kind of hoping that it would wait until market open to do this, but here it goes. Into the 240s now, below the VWAP. Ugh, it was such a nice little setup there. I kept watching it. Basically right below that 21 EMA on the 1 minute chart here. You can see it was kind of looking like this little bear flag there. If this was, if it was 9:45, if it was 10 o'clock, I would have taken this trade all day. Getting that break below the 70s, down there into the 40s, take your 30 points. But the fact that it's 9:15, I'm trying to stay out of it. So, right now, VWAP here at the 78s. 78s on the VWAP for the Nasdaq. If we look at the ES here, ES is also kind of looking very similar. We're below the VWAP on the ES overnight move here. We got the gap fill on the ES down there, 5,970s. Just to chat. NQ Trader, Patrick, I unfollowed you, and then now your profile is private. I can never add anyone else now. My Twitter account has officially just been locked to private, so I can no longer ever add somebody. Sorry. I know it's not personal. I've got like 500 friend requests on Twitter right now. It'll be very hard to find you. It's not personal, really. I promise you, it's not personal, really. It's not personal. I promise you. All right, we got 14 minutes here till market opens. Just playing it nice and easy right now, sitting back, waiting and watching. We've had some really good range. That opening range, 15-minute opening range break this week has been very, very profitable. So see what happens. Why'd you go profit? Why did you go private? Because somebody was botting my Twitter account, so I just put it to private and they can no longer bot it anymore. Haha, I'm smarter than you. I'm smarter than you. I win. God damn it. I hate when the Nasdaq does this, like such a clean move here right before open, you know, like fuck. Look at it just going now. God damn it. That could have been an easy trade just to lock it in right then and there. Fucking hey, look at it. Why? Why does it do this? 15 minutes before the market open, this happens. Why? Like, why could it not just wait? You know? Perry Dalla, is the win streak for Tradeify still going? Come, oh my God. Are you kidding me right now? Look at that bear flag, just absolutely printing. Fucking A. That is frustrating. And yes, the 30-day win streak. 30-day win streak is continued. Well, I'm done now. Basically, I'm at the point where I can't really do anything else. I've hit the 30 days of green with Tradeify. 26 trades in a row, winning trades. Wait, how many is that this month? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. $33. Wait, no. I'm bad. Wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 13, 15, 17, 18, 19, 20, 23, 25. So literally pretty much all of February, I have not had one, well, other than Monday. This Monday, I guess I would have had a losing trade. I did have a losing trade on that Monday. So February 3rd, I had a losing trade. And then after that, it's been 100% ever since. I mean, that's pretty fucking nuts. Like, look at this. Literally 100% win rate ever since the 3rd. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. So yeah, 26 trades. So basically, since the 4th of February, in these Tradeify accounts, I have not had a losing. I have not had one losing trade. And then I'm flipping. Yeah, those are flip days. I didn't trade last Friday because I had a fishing tournament. Probably should have done that, so I could have taken a payout, but whatever. We'll take a payout on the 1st of March. Woo, baby, BDH, the power of the BDH. The power of the BDH. That's what it's all about. Right there, all 5 accounts, $156,000. 79% win-loss ratio, 30 days of green. Like I said yesterday, I don't even need to trade anymore. I could just never trade ever again, and I would still be better than 99% of traders in the world. You know? So, pretty cool. Pretty cool, man. Pretty cool. We're going to go to members only chat here for the open. Let's go. Right now, Trinity is 12 out of 14 win streak trading the orb. All right, all right. All right, going into open here, we've got 9 minutes till market opens. Nasdaq so far dipped down there to the 220 area. Little push right back up to 60s. Overall market has been down, down, down. Will today be some up, up, up? We're going to find out. We got a pivot point right here. We've got that high. This high's up here, kind of looking like they want to get touched. The overnight high, 21,320 area. See how she goes. Luciano, Fortaleza, Brazil. I've been to Fortaleza a few times, actually. Really good kiteboarding in Fortaleza. I went to, what is that? I don't know if it's called. What's the water park in Fortaleza on the beach? Beach park? Is that what it is? It's beach park, right? Kumbuku. I've been to Kumbuku as well. I've been to Kumbuku. I've been to what's the other place out in the woods? Taiba. Been there. No, what's the place where it's like a little town on the beach and the big sand dunes? Urarao. Yeah, man, I've literally been to Brazil, 5 times? Filming kiteboarding? For real. It's real. I've done it. Barra Grande. Is that how you say it? Barra Grande. All right. We got 7 minutes here till market open. Sitting back, waiting and watching right now on the 1 minute chart here. On the 1 minute chart, got that 260 area. 260 area right there at the pivot point, or not the pivot point, the 21 EMA. We just pushed into that 21 EMA, so we'll see how price is going to react at that level, and then see if it gets moved down. 260s right now holding us down there. You got that VWAP up there at the 270s. Looking at the 15-minute chart right now, we got 5 minutes left. Come to Serbia. Fuck, Serbia, that sounds cold. That sounds too cold for me. Time for my daily dose of creatine. Not Siberia, just Serbia. Are you kidding me right now? Why is the Nasdaq trading so good right now? Before market open, are you kidding? Look at it. Right into the 21 EMA and then right back down again. Look at that, another bear flag. Breaking below the low of that candle. Boom. Another 20 points, real easy. Which continent have you not been to? I guess Antarctica. Antarctica is the only place I haven't been. Fucking Antarctica. I eat these. This is my buddy's company. Super gummies. They've got 5 grams. Or they got, I guess, 1 gram of creatine per gummy. So have you been to Rome? I've been to Rome. Been everywhere, man. Worldwide. At one point, all I did was travel and film and work around the world. That was like my full-time job when I was younger. Which prop firm would you recommend for newbies? For newbies? Honestly, Tradeify, Take Profit Trader. Both very good options for newbies. Apex trade, Apex is not bad option either, but the trailing drawdown does get a little tricky if you're newer to trading, but there's a lot of amazing options out there right now. You know what to do. Use the code PW always for the best deals. Hey, 4 minutes till market opens. How many countries have you been to in total? A lot. I couldn't even count if I tried. It would just, I've been everywhere. All over the Middle East. I've been to Abu Dhabi, been to Dubai, been to Egypt. Oh, Qatar. All over Europe. Australia, Thailand, Philippines, Japan, Hong Kong, Hawaii, Canada, Mexico, Nicaragua, Panama, Costa Rica, Ecuador, Brazil, Peru, Portugal. Yeah, I've been all over the Bahamas. Portugal. I went to Portugal and filmed the biggest wave in the world at Portugal with Laird Hamilton. South Africa, Nicaragua. Vancouver. You know, I've not been to Alaska, actually. Not been to Alaska, so that I could maybe do a trip to Alaska soon. That could be a thing, maybe. I love the fact that Top Step TV says that Andre is a performance coach. Andre on Top Step TV is a performance coach. I mean, they clearly just give that title to anybody. Fucking Andre. Andre couldn't perform to save his life. God, performance coach. All right, we got 40 seconds here till market opens. Let's see what happens. I would like to see some type of like push up here a little bit. You know, a little bit of a trap. Show some resistance. Maybe tap into that VWAP here. Either way, let's be patient. Let's wait for the right opportunity, and then let's make a trade. It's that simple, my friends. Don't go chasing waterfalls. Daniel Hussey, you know what they say? If you can't do, you teach. Well, what if you can't even teach? What do you do then? What if you're even bad at teaching? $1 million question that needs to be answered. Here we go. Market is open. Will that trend line here hold on? This 220 area we dip in already. Oh my Lord, right down there to the 198s. This pivot point, we got a pivot point down there. 197s next. Well, I guess we're gonna go right to that pivot point. Fucking A. No trap to the upside, just straight down here. This is so hard to trade that. It's so hard to trade that, man. 9 out of 10 times, this is where you get fucked at. Trying to short that first candle, breaking to the downside at open. But sometimes it works out. And look at it. God. Right to the pivot now. Well, still going. Still going. Still going. All right, we bounce off that pivot point now. Will we find some support there? Or do we go lower? Either way, I'm being patient. Look at this reversal right now, right off that pivot point here. Good thing we did not short at the lows. You know, let's avoid doing stupid shit today. That's my goal. Pretty much every day trading is to avoid stupid fucking ideas. Oh Lord, I see right now, like I was a little sad that I didn't short it open, but right now I'm a little happy that I didn't, you know. Now I'm happy. And now I'm like, look, I'm a genius. Haha, see? I told you to be careful. And there it goes, right back up there again, right through the look at this thing's gonna just go straight up through the 240s there. Crazy move. Just engulf that whole candle just for a squeeze. All those shorts that open who got a little greedy, they got a little greedy, didn't they? VWAP is up there at the 270s. Can we get there to the 270s now is the question. Just being patient here. Straight back down again. The chop is real here. The chop is real. Just a hard spot right here. The ES is down to the 980s. ES has been dipping straight down. Nasdaq's trying to get back up here. The bears are in control right now. Basically below that 240 level, the bears are in control here. I think we gotta kind of make a new low here. Nasdaq trying to lose that pivot point. If we lose that pivot point, your next level is 140 to the downside down there. There's a new low now. ES is trying to make new lows. That little 78 level on the ES 80 area. Nasdaq just holding up there that pivot point again. Squeezing it back up here. I think if the bulls get it back above 226, it might try to squeeze it back up. So kind of watching the high of this candle right here. If we get back above that 226 level, Still stuck below there. The high of that candle right there is 226.50. $226.50 there. Trying to break it there. Get that squeeze straight up. 240s. Get through that 240 level. Could go all the way to the VWAP next. 260s. There's your breakout through the 226s. Still going. 40s. 48s. 50s. Oh my Lord. Look at it. 55s. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Look at that move. Like I said, the high of this previous candle there above 226s, right up there to the 255s now. Going right to the VWAP there. W's in the chat. W's in the chat. Love to see it. Right now, Apex is 80% off, by the way. Use the code PW, get the best deals. Look at it, still going. Oh. What in the fuck? Who got that? Who didn't get it? Are you kidding me? That was the move right there, boys and girls. That was the move right there. Up to the VWAP now. That pivot point just giving too much support down there. Insane move. Look at that. This candle right here looking like that little doji there on the 2-minute chart. You can see on the 1-minute chart too, kind of like this setup here to get that squeeze. So I was looking at the high of that 2-minute candle for that push right up there towards the VWAP. And there it goes, right to the VWAP now. Still going, 270s. 270s now. All right. Now we wait and see what the next move is here. Above the VWAP here. See if we get like a little bull flag here above the VWAP is what we want to see next. And we want this to continue, obviously. Go to the 1-minute chart to see if it looks a little bit better there. You got 5 minutes until the 15-minute candle for the 15-minute opening range break. We got 5,200 people watching. If you guys haven't already hit that like button, blow it up. It's free to like, free to subscribe. Get 1,000 likes here on the stream for that last call out. What are you kidding me? Above the 226s, bam, right up there to the 270s. That's over 50 points. So now we're kind of just waiting to see. Nothing to do here yet. Being patient. No reason to get long on this pullback here. You just wait. We got news in 20 minutes. News in 20 minutes. Being patient, guys. This is a good spot to stay out of the trade, basically. This could just dump straight back down, so no reason to get long here. Market pulling back again. Back down there to the 212s. All right, wow. Straight back down here now. The chop is real. Today is NVIDIA earnings after hours, so market could just be a bit choppy today. And there you go. Like I said, no reason to get long until we got that bull flag above the VWAP there. So that's why we trade the way that we trade, so that we avoid this type of action where it just dumps straight back down. Again, bouncing off that 21,200 level. That's right where that pivot point is. We're holding up there at the 15-minute range. You can see our 15-minute range currently. The low down there, and then obviously the high up here at the 274s now. Amanda bought the course, haven't finished it. Well, you better get to finishing it, Amanda. No, just kidding. Take your time. Take your time. No rush. But maybe finish it as fast as possible. Don't sleep. Don't eat. Just watch the course. JK, don't listen to me. All right, I'd say if we get back above 250s here and then get that push, break through there, and then maybe up there to the 330s, that next level. On the smaller time frames right now, we do have the 21 EMA. Where's the 21 EMA at? Not loading right now. You got the ES pulling back here as well. ES pulling back. The best thing is, like, now we got a really good range set here. So if we break the bottom of that range, well, then you got the gap fill to put us down there for the Nasdaq here. But there's some intensity to the upside here. That 250 area to kind of get through that 21 EMA, then the VWAP there again. Tapping into that 21 EMA here. Right in the middle of the 15-minute range right now. We got news at 10 o'clock. Some home sale news, I believe. Brianna, new member. Let's go. General admission. Buy your tickets now for the BDH general admission. All right, now we're testing that 21 EMA. We got the VWAP coming up there next. Ooh, buddy. VWAP there at the 260s. The 15-minute range breakout right there at the 274s. So still stuck below the VWAP there. If we get through the VWAP strong, 74s, 330 next. 330 next. There's the VWAP push. Here's your 15-minute range trying to break out here. Back above the VWAP now. Stuck at the top of the 15-minute range. Right above the ES is already ripping to the upside. It already broke out of the 15-minute range. I think the Nasdaq will follow here. Got to get through the 70s right here, right now, and then push up there to the 300s. She's breaking. ES is ripping. Nasdaq wants to get through here. Now we need that 320 push. 320 push. Oh, Lord. 280 go through. 380 go through. 280 go to. To the 280s. If you're long here, you basically want to kind of stay above that 250 area. Hold up there the VWAP. I want to see that VWAP keep getting respected here. A little bit of hesitation. Go to the 1-minute chart, got a little bit of a mini bull flag setting up here. ES still pushing. Getting very tight right here. Big move coming. We got 9 minutes until that news comes out. I want to see this go straight through the 280s now and just go right up there into the 300s. Let's go right up there into the 300s. 282s. She wants to go, baby. She wants to go. There she goes. 290s now. This is our 15-minute breakout, boys and girls. Like I said, the longs here looking for that push through the 300s. Give me that 300 break right here, right now. Keep it ripping. Keep it ripping. Oh, buddy. Up into the 300s now. Moving my stop to the 280s. Just to guarantee we lock in profit. Oh, don't do that to me, Nasdaq. Don't do that to me, Nasdaq. My stop's at 74.50 just to see if I can get it right below the low of this candle, 75s, just to protect it, but need the pushy push. Oh, 300 acting as resistance for now. Need to hold up this 80 level. Come on, Billy. Take it right through here, Nasdaq. Right through here now. Do the 300s. Do it. Take me to an overnight high now. Overnight high, baby. Got another little bull flag setting up here to get through the 300s. And then we're up there, 310, 320, 330s. Right here, baby, right now. Right here, right now. Break 300s, rip to the upside. Rip it to the upside. Oh, 300s trying to tap here. Tap, tap, tap in 300s. 303 now. Let it go. Let it go. Let it go. Come on, baby. Push it. We got 5 minutes till this news comes out. You can see my long for the 15-minute range breakout here up into the 300s, 310s. I'm going to take maybe some right here at 308s just to lock that in. So I'm not being silly, but I want to ride the rest. 5 contracts up there to the 30s next. I'm going to move my, just keep my stop right there and see if we can get that 330 push. Justin trades past 10 evals in the last 2 days. Every time I leave the runner on, just comes back and gets me. That sucks. Fuck. Damn it, Nasdaq. Damn it. It's always so fucking classic. People always like, Patrick, why don't you leave a runner? And this is always what happens when I leave a fucking runner. Every fucking time. Are you kidding me? I hate my life. I literally hate my life. Look at that. Pulls back, stops me out, 74s. Why? Why, Nasdaq? Why? 4 minutes until the news comes out here. Market makers are watching my live stream. I can't trade live on YouTube anymore, people. I can't do it. My stops always get ran. Fuck. All right, Nasdaq pulling back here. Maybe we got a little greedy there. I don't know. Maybe a little greedy. Got a little greedy on that. We were up almost fucking 40 points there. 40 points, didn't take profit all the way, so YOLO. I did it for the stream. I did it for the stream. I did it for the stream. All right, right now pulling back here into the VWAP again. All right, VWAP acting as support here. VWAP acting as support. Can we go higher? That overnight high is still very much there. You can see the 15-minute opening range. We broke out through the 74s now, up there to the 312s. We got news coming out here in 2 minutes. I think this news sends us above that overnight high just to tap into that liquidity up there. Those stops sitting there, right? You know, their stops are sitting there. That overnight high, if you're short, you're like, I don't want it to go above the overnight high kind of situation, right? So. Right? What the fuck is this music? What the fuck is this music? All right, here we go. 30 seconds till the news. That overnight high up there, 330s. Five, 4, 3, 2, and 1. They're trying. The ES pushed through the overnight high. See how the ES already pushed through the overnight high here? That happened even before the news came out, so I think Nasdaq will get there. Just gonna play hard to get before. We got that 21,400 pivot point on the Nasdaq here as well. The high on that candle from earlier, 312s. And then 330 area there next. Took out that 12s. I'd be very fucking surprised if the Nasdaq doesn't break through the overnight high here. You know, I'd just be very surprised. I'd just be very surprised, which I've been surprised before. But if I was a betting man, I would bet that the Nasdaq would want to take out this overnight high. You know. Oh, Lord. Come on, Nasdaq. I'm a betting man. Trouble. Trouble. What you gonna do, Nasdaq? What you gonna do? And just chop around here some more before going higher. You gotta love when the Nasdaq does this, where it just like sits here and doesn't want to move, but you know it's gonna move, but you just don't know when. You know there's a boner candle just fucking coming at any point here. It's gonna be just a boner candle to the fucking moon here. There's just no way they're not gonna go through that 30 area. No way. Obviously, this is not financial advice, but there's just no way they're not going to. There's just no way. I'm telling you, there's no way they don't go through that high. 315s now. We're not far from that 330s, 316s. Hit my little yellow line. Hit my little yellow line, Nasdaq. Do it. I dare you. I dare you, Nasdaq. I fucking dare you to hit it. You won't. You won't do it. You won't do it, Nasdaq. You won't hit that yellow line. You won't do it. You won't do it, Nasdaq. You won't do it. Nasdaq, you won't do it. Come on, everybody tell it. Everybody yell at your screen and say, Nasdaq, you won't. You pussy. You pussy, Nasdaq. You won't do it. You won't do it. I double dog dare you, Nasdaq. I double triple dog dare you. I triple dog dare you, Nasdaq. I triple dog dare you, Nasdaq. RJ up $3,000 for 3 days of green. I guess you're watching the right YouTube channel, huh? Oh, Nasdaq. Why you gotta be like that? Why you gotta be like that, Nasdaq? Why you gotta be like that? Real J Benny made money, now going to the gym. This guy's living the dream. What you gonna work out today, Benny? Real J Benny, what you working out today? Little legs, little back, little shoulders. I worked out shoulders this morning. My shoulders are so fucking big now. Good Lord, Nasdaq. Good Lord, Nasdaq. What? No. Jack's doing legs today. All those bags of cash. Jack's got bags of cash. Well, Nasdaq just could not do it. Just couldn't do it, could it? Just wanted to tease us. Just wanted to tease us, didn't you, Nasdaq? Both the ES and the Nasdaq right now having trouble up there at the highs. Having trouble at the highs there. Maybe some more, maybe pull back to the VWAP here again. Maybe. All right, back to the VWAP we go. 270s again. Argon Bright Investments. What's up? Good morning. Bro, you're late. It's fucking 10 o'clock. We are past the good morning speech. We are fucking, now it's time to fucking afternoon. Happy afternoon. We're past the fucking GM, bro. We in the middle of the day now. Brianna's going to the gym. Everybody's going to the gym now. What the fuck is going? Everybody making too much money and then leaving me. Y'all got to keep watching while you're at the gym, okay? Don't stop watching the live stream all day, every day. Bell to bell, baby. Bell to bell. Well, look at that. Nasdaq dipped right down there to the fucking VWAP. Right to the VWAP. Right back up here again. Now we're going to go through the highs. Now it's going to do it. Now that it touched the VWAP, now it's decided it's time to go through the highs. Now it decided. Or it just decided to chop here. Remember, more consolidation, the bigger the move. Looking at the 5-minute chart right now, kind of bull flagging here off the VWAP. Daniel went to the gym at 5:30. Let's go. I went to the gym at 5:15. I win. Sorry, Daniel. Sorry, I just can't give. I can't let you win, bro. Just can't let you win. There can only be one Wieland, and we win. We win. We land. You know, like think about it. My name literally has Wieland, and it's got win, and Winland. You know, it's a thing. I didn't make it up. It's just destiny. I was born to be like this. I was born to win. We will Wieland. Sounds better in my head. No, never mind. Never doesn't work. Oh my, tell me this ain't gonna go higher. Just tell me it ain't gonna go higher. I dare you to tell me that, somebody. Tell me right now, somebody in the chat. Tell me it ain't gonna go higher. I dare you. I fucking dare you to tell me. I dare you. I dare you. Oh, God. We got to break out. We got to hit that yellow line. It's got to happen. I don't know why, but it's just got to. Like, look at the 5-minute chart right now. Wick. We got to move, baby. 360, 400 to the upside there. To the upside there. Wow, they really want to hold it here, I guess. Just holding it here. Just holding it here forever. Somebody in the chat said they don't know if they should close or short from 300. I think I know. I know the answer to that. Fucking close your short, you idiot. What the fuck are you doing? God. Are you not watching the live stream right now? Are you not watching the fucking live stream right now? What the fuck? What live stream are you watching? This guy. Hey, Patrick, I'm short at 300. I don't know if I should close it. Yeah. Yeah, you should. God. Should I close it? Yeah, I think fucking so. I literally think so. I think so. Well, there you go. Boner candle. Almost a boner candle. A little bit of a blow off boner candle. Boner candle blew its load a little early, but it's still going. We've taken out the overnight high, the ES right now. This should start to expand here now, right? After all that consolidation, 360 area, and then 400 after that. If we can start to move through here. We got this triple top right now. This is what I was saying. We had to kind of tap into this. Had to tap into this. Got the ES pushing, Nasdaq pushing. Needs more. Needs more, man. More. More, Nasdaq. More. Trying to get through the 35s there. That Monday low is up there, 67. 67. 367 is Monday's low, by the way. I love the guy in the chat. Patrick, I'm short at 300. What should I do? Well, don't listen to me, but I mean, might not be the best place to be short at, my friend. Not the best, you know, there's a, well, no, not good. Look at the ES right now. ES is going straight up, almost to a pivot point there on the ES, 6,616 for the ES push. A little bit more follow through here on the ES. I don't know if it's because of NVIDIA earnings or what. Maybe the Nasdaq a little bit weaker today. What's NVIDIA doing? I haven't even looked. Someone said the biggest short ever is coming this afternoon. Oh, God. Biggest short ever? Like ever? Like how big? Biggest shorts ever is coming this afternoon. Ever? Like how? How big is that? That's pretty big. Imagine being like, dude, the biggest move ever is gonna happen. You know, ever. Ever. Oh, God. Guys, get ready, because the biggest move ever is going to happen this afternoon. So just make sure you're here. Get ready. It's pretty much the biggest move ever. Like, you don't even, I can't even explain how big it's gonna be because it's too big. It's the biggest ever. You know, like it would be impossible to fathom. Because like imagine like the market goes up, but then it goes down. Ever. Boom. All right, Nasdaq almost to the 340s now. Well, there's the 340s. Never mind. $340s. Don't say I didn't tell you so. Don't say I didn't tell you so, people. If you guys haven't hit that like button, we got 998 likes. What the? 998 likes. We need more likes. We need more. Guys, I am out here just literally giving you. I'm just giving you free. I'm giving you free money. Like, think about that. People will be like, Patrick, is there a giveaway today? I'm like, how about a fucking just, I'll give you free money. You know, like, how about I just give you free money? How about that? Lord, have mercy on my soul. Lord, have mercy on my soul. All right, just to recap, if you're just now tuning in, you're like, but Patrick, what the fuck, man? You never told me when to buy. Well, just let's recap this really quickly. We got our 15-minute opening range. Right? Boom, boom, boom. 15-minute opening range. All right, that's set. Well, look at that. Once we broke out of the 15-minute opening range, what do we get? We got a little bit of choppy action, but the key here is we held up there at the VWAP, and now we're reaching out here to the Monday low. So, like I said, that high from the overnight level to watch, 330s. Look, 350s now. Oh my God. If you want to learn more, make sure you check out the course. It's only $199. Learn how to trade like a non-retarded person. Is that good marketing? Should I put that in an ad? If my marketing team's watching right now, I think that's our ad. We're going to start running ads. It just says, learn to trade not like a retard. You know? Like, learn to trade not like a retard. That's all the ad needs to say. That is literally all the ad needs to say. And there you go, 360s now. We literally, guys, we talked about this exact level 15 minutes ago. 360s now. What's up next? 21,400 pivot point. If you're wondering what's on the chart right now, we got the LuxAlgo price action concepts indicator that's showing me the Monday low automatically. It's got my trend lines. It's got all that figured out for me so I don't have to worry about it. The dotted line down there is our close from yesterday. So Patrick Sustyle up $4,000 each on 3 take profit accounts, up $1,500 each on 5 Tradeify accounts. This fucking guy. Hey, Patrick, will you leave some money for the rest of us? You know, leave some money for the rest of us, please, please. Brianna, that is on TradingView. Yes, we're looking at TradingView right now. I told everybody yesterday, I want 1%. Whatever profit you make here, just donate 1% and we'll call it even. We'll call it even. You know, I think that's a fair deal. Free live stream, donate 1% to the guy that's telling you when to buy, you know, not when to buy, but where the market's going to go. Chris Morgan's going to give you 1% of his payout. Well, hopefully it's not a fucking $100 payout. Why not just trade on Tradeivate chart? What? I do. I do trade on the Tradeivate chart. What are you talking about? Patrick, do you like lake or river fishing? No. The fish in the lakes and the rivers are not big enough for me. Once you catch a 500-pound fish, there is nothing that compares, you know, like just after that, it's all downhill. You'll always be chasing that high, man. Being strapped into the chair, fighting a 500-pound marlin. And after that, you're never going to get the same high ever again. All right. Look at this Nasdaq move, guys. It has just been going straight up since we got the 15-minute opening range breakout. Did anybody trade this? Anybody? Lord have mercy on my soul. Dr. T got $5,300 or $3,000 in his Apex PA accounts. Let's go. What's the best fish that you've caught and eaten? I don't know. Yeah, just normal fish. just a normal fish, pretty much. His Royal Trades says he's trailing runner going to the beach. All right, I like your style. Dr. T, thank you for PW streaming. Yeah, thank you, PW. You're the best. That guy PW, man, he's a real good guy. Good job, PW. Everybody wants to thank PW for being the best. Being the best, baby. American RVs. All he knows that is green since he found the BDH. Well, that's that's pretty cool. Who'd you watch before? Which live stream did you watch before the BDH is the question. That's the real question. Nasdaq pulling back here after tapping into Monday's low. Uh-oh. That one guy said the biggest short ever was coming. This could be it. This could be it. Biggest short ever. Charizard Trades. Thanks, PW. Huge supporter. Well, Charizard Trades, if you're such a big supporter, why do you not pay $5 a month to support me? Why? The funny part is YouTube literally takes 50% of that. Isn't that crazy? Like if I make $5 from a membership, YouTube takes like $2 of it. I'm like, what a joke. Yes! Charizard Trades! The man! Biggest supporter ever! Biggest supporter ever! See, this is how I get people to sign up for my membership. People ask me, they're like, Patrick, what do I get? What do I get if I pay $5 a month? I'm like, you don't get nothing, but you better fucking do it. You better fucking sign up right now. Can you start a Patreon? I don't really want to start a Patreon. The whole point of the memberships on the YouTube is just to try to weed out the retards during the live streams. It's not really like doing anything other than that. Starting OnlyFans, that might do that. I'm gonna start an OnlyFans where it's just videos of me fishing. Cano got 2 Express accounts at $7,000. Just made $3,000 in that move. PW, the GOAT. I don't like to toot my own horn, but you know, if I don't toot my horn, who's gonna toot it? You know, someone's gotta toot it. Patrick Wieland OnlyFans, people, they think it's gonna be all like, you know, rated R sexual content, and then they sign up for it and all it is just videos of me fishing. It could be a thing, you know, it could work. The playlist, you guys are all so funny about the music I play. I don't know why everyone is so funny about it. What's so good about it? This is the playlist that I listen to for the streams. Patrick, what did you say your indicator was again? It's the price action LuxAlgo. LuxAlgo price action concepts. LuxAlgo. And like I said earlier, by the way, Apex, it's 80% off. 1 day to pass. Use the code PW. It doesn't end tonight. I'm just too lazy to change the ad, so don't get mad at me. You got more than 1 day. All right, Nasdaq right back down here. Where are we going? Maybe the VWAP again. Maybe. I don't know. I'll give it a little bit of time here, but I think probably a great time to just walk away. If you're in the green right now, nothing wrong with just walking away. You know? Walking away, baby. Like I said earlier, we got NVIDIA earnings, trading, it's just, it's numbers, it's pretty much like people always ask me, like, what's my strategy, and I'm like, just numbers, mostly numbers, just mostly numbers, just only numbers, a lot of numbers, basically. My marketing team just sent over our new ad. Pretty excited to show you guys our new ad. It's a pretty good one. Learn to trade, not like a retard. I think it's going to be big. I think it could really, this could be a big hit, Put that on the internet, kids. Patrick Wieland, learn to trade, not like a retard. I'm just saying, Patrick, I'm really interested in buying your course. How would you explain your course to people out there? Like, what is it really about? And I say, well, basically the goal of my course is to learn to trade not like a retard. If this applies to you, maybe check it out. It might be good for you. It might work out. You might like it. You never know. All right, Nasdaq back to the VWAP again. If you don't have the VWAP on your chart, you're just hurting yourself. You're only hurting yourself if you don't have the VWAP on the chart. So watch the VWAP, make the money. Holy shit. $400. Someone just left $400 on the stream. Oh, wait. That's not dollars. Never mind. I got excited. Never mind. Everybody relax. Don't get excited. It's not. Is your course legit? No. Don't buy my course, whatever you do. Don't buy it. Do not buy my course, whatever you do. Because if you buy it, you might learn to trade not like a retard. But if you're in the chat asking if the course is worth it or not, I highly suggest don't buying it. Whatever you do, do not buy the $200 course. Don't do it. It's not going to help you. It won't. I can't fix all. There are some types of retardation I can fix. There are some types. But the people in the chat that ask if your course is legit, I cannot fix that. That is unfixable. It's impossible to fix that. You might as well just quit trading now. Just don't even try to trade. Just go get a new, go get a new hobby. You know, like go, I don't know what people do. Whatever other people do, just go do that. Because trading is not for you. It's not for you. All right. You know, I don't just wear this shirt that says Big Dick House on it. I don't just wear it. I don't just wear it because just for nothing. You know, it's not just like I don't just, just nothing. There's a reason that I have it on my shirt. You know, there's a reason. Oh yeah, I forgot. What was the question? I'm at payout with Top Step, 5 days, $200. Should I take a payout or make more and then take since I go and take 50%? Take a payout. Why not? Fuck it. Take a payout. Pay yourself. You know? Take a payout. I think that's all. I mean, your best bet always is take a payout. Why not? Take a payout, reward yourself, put the money in the bank account. You know? That's the way I look at it. When is Rips going to join the BDH? I hope so. I hope soon. I hope. He's coming. He's coming. Hey, Patrick. Opinion, what's the best account type of MFF? Probably their straight to funded one they have. Don't they have a straight to funded one? Rips and Patrick, are you guys friends now? I think it's like a common, like, I don't know if we're friends, but like, it's kind of just like, it might be more fun to be friends than to be enemies. Like that's the way I look at it. It might be more fun to like have Rips at the BDH so that way we can like make fun of Top Step TV, kind of that's my feeling about it. That's the way I feel, Is Top Step getting their ass kicked this AM? No, they look like they're... Well, Mike Up Attack's on there just rambling probably and talking whatever he's talking. I don't know. Probably just... It normally sounds like... I lost $90,000 trading. I used to trade at the pits. If I gotta hear one more motherfucker talk about how they used to trade at the fucking pits, who in the fuck cares? It has nothing to do with today's trading. Nothing. What people did in the pits back in the day has nothing to do with what they do today. It is 100% a totally different business. The people in the pits did not look at fucking charts. It is not like you can't be like, "Buh, I used to trade in the pits." Nobody gives a fuck. It's a new day. Hey. Brett Simba's birthday today. If he gets 3,000 likes on his tweet, Tradeify will do something wild. Probably a discount. I also heard that the people on the top step, they were not actually the best traders. That's what I heard. Top Step always likes to talk about how the traders at the top step were the best, but I talked to some actual locals who traded in the pits, and they all said that basically just the big brokers stood on top of the pit on the top step. They weren't in the, like, the best traders were not on the top step. It's just what I've heard. I don't know. I gotta cross check it. Yeah, so Mike Up Attack always loves to talk about how top step it means that you're the best trader, but I don't think that's actually factual at all. Well, I've heard that. Yeah, no, I've heard a lot of. It's funny because, like I said, a lot of people want to tell me stuff. I don't know why, but people love to like tell me things. And I've had a few people tell me stories about Mike Up Attack back in the day. This one guy that was at the exchange, the CME exchange, he's like, yeah, Mike Up Attack was literally a bitch. He was like, nobody fucking cared about MP on the floor. So. Biggest institutional brokers traded from the top step. Yeah. But the thing is, like, the big institutional brokers, they weren't traders, you know, like they're not traders. They're getting calls from upstairs on what orders to buy and sell. The clerks are telling them, you know, giving them the orders, but they weren't, you know, like they're not actually fucking trading. They're just taking orders. Daniel Hussey, you gotta watch Daniel. This guy, Daniel Hussey, you don't ever want to be on Daniel's bad side. Hey, I'm just happy that that I have not gotten on Daniel's bad side, because that you got to be careful of that guy in the chat. He'll call bullshit when he sees it, and he will find out what's going on. I don't know. Like I said, thank God Daniel likes the BDH. Thank God. You know. Someone said that I'm ICT's nephew. Are you kidding me? No, I'm not his nephew. Patrick, what do you think Top Step's P&L is? I don't know, fucking red? Red? I don't know. What do you think it is? They lost $10,000 yesterday. They're up $1,000 a day. MP's sitting there right now talking like this. Guys, you don't understand. When I used to trade, I lost 3 real money accounts, $90,000. And what I learned from that is to start a prop firm. You know, guys, you know, I tell people, like, trade for tomorrow, right? If you want to be a trader, you've got to trade for tomorrow. Just keep jabbing. You know, when I was on the CME exchange and I lost $90,000, I thought to myself, I said, how can I recover from this? And I said, I just got to keep jabbing. So what I'll do is I'll call my daddy, and then I'll say, Daddy, what if we start a prop firm? And then we go get people to pay us to join the prop firm. And then instead of us losing the money, they lose the money. Yeah, no, that's a way better business plan. Thanks, Daddy. That's what I'm so happy that you helped me. That is literally fucking MP's life right there. And then don't forget about The Bachelor. The fucking Bachelor, man. The poor guy on The Bachelor. The Bachelor. I don't even know if I want to talk about it, but The Bachelor. Y'all know about The Bachelor, right? Everyone knows about The Bachelor, right? Everybody knows about The Bachelor, right? Everybody. Nobody knows about The Bachelor? You guys don't know about The Bachelor? Dude, you got to know about The Bachelor. All right, so basically, well, fuck. How do I explain this? So basically what happened is Patak's girlfriend went on The Bachelor, and then Michael called The Bachelor and told The Bachelor that his girlfriend was on The Bachelor. So obviously The Bachelor wasn't very happy about that, you know. So yeah, I don't know. It's got to be the most cuck thing I've ever heard in my entire life. Like, imagine, like, what happened with you guys? Well, my girlfriend, she went on The Bachelor, and then after that, you know, I married her. Basically, I'm definitely gonna get a cease and desist today. I blame you guys.
It was really difficult because I think I had realized.
You can't even gotta turn it up.
I was trying to. I'm not really gonna bring Michael up.
You can't hear her, but she says.
I hadn't actually. I'm not really gonna bring Michael up.
Can you hear that?
Because I hadn't actually been thinking about it that much.
Oh, oh, she did him dirty. Oh no.
A lot of things that.
Oh no. Oh no. Oh, she didn't bring Michael up because she wasn't really thinking about him, but he was calling. He was calling the Bachelor to let him know that his girlfriend was on there. Oh no, that hurts. That hurts, man. That hurts. That hurts. That really hurts. That's fucked up. I'm definitely gonna get in trouble today. God damn it. I didn't want to get a cease and desist, but maybe I will. Oh, here's the video. Here's the whole story. Here's the whole story. It's something happens to KCS to make her leave the show. So what happened to Casey? According to reality, it seems that Casey might have an ex-boyfriend who wants her back. The boyfriend's name is Micah Patak, CEO of TopStep. Would have been nice if Casey would have filled Ben in on Micah Patak, the guy that plenty of people told me she was seeing before she left for the show, and it was well known. Of course, you know, I had her other friends who said they were on a break, blah, blah, blah. So, oof. Gosh. I think that's the definition of cuck. Again, if you don't know that, yeah. Yes, he married her. Yes. But hey, you know, I get it. It makes sense, you know. Daddy's money didn't work out. Now it's there. There's a bunch of articles about it too. It was like in the newspapers and all kinds of shit. This is the best. This was literally in the fucking newspaper in Chicago. Former resident Casey got the boot on Monday from The Bachelor after she was busted for carrying a torch for an old and not so old flame. The ex, identified on various blogs as Micah Patak. Oh, that's rough, man. That's rough. In the news. I don't know hey, like I said, you know, I get it, you know, it happens. No, it doesn't actually. If my fucking girlfriend goes to The Bachelor, guess what I'm not gonna do? I'm not gonna fucking call The Bachelor and be like, hello? Yes, Victoria? Victoria's on the show? Can you please help me? I need you to kick her off the show because I don't want her to marry Ben. Please? Can you help me? Yes, I'm Michael. Yes, I own TopStep. I have a lot of money. I'm gonna sue you if you don't kick her off the show. Oh Lord, too much. It's not, like, what are you gonna sue me for, defamation? I mean, it's all over the internet. I didn't make it up. It's real. Like, what are you gonna do? I don't know. I don't know. I'm not like, I'm not really doing anything here. I'm just reading what's on the internet. I think it's important for people to know that the CEO of Top Step is a cuck. I mean, girlfriend was on The Bachelor. It's not a big deal. Just, it just says a lot about him. Oh man. All right, Nasdaq just sitting up here at the highs, 340s. Sitting at the highs up here at the 340s. It's almost 11 o'clock. We got the 1050 algorithm about to kick in here. Get ready. Something might happen. Could we get another explosion to the upside here? If you look at the Nasdaq right now, it's getting tight. Also the ES on the 5-minute chart right here at the pivot point on the ES right now, that 15, 16 area, and then that 624 to the upside. That 620 area, very important level. We'll see if it hits. What time is the 1050 algo? Sometimes it's at like 1051, sometimes 1052, sometimes 1053. But you really got to be careful because the 350 algo is the one you got to worry about. That's the one. That's the one, man. The devil has a name. I'm not the devil. Hey, we're just laughing. We're just laughing over here. I heard Michael Patak was on their Top Step TV talking about how they're going to open something similar to the BDH and it's going to be a lot better and it's not going to be in a garage. So, we'll see. I think we all know who fucking created this goddamn industry, who built this fucking industry, who's been doing it for 8 years live on YouTube. I think we all know who's the goddamn king. Who's the king? I think we know. And trust me, Michael, even if you build an office with people and all, no, it still won't be better. So don't even try to compare yourself. Don't even talk about me. Don't even make anything. Don't say it, because all I'm ever gonna say back to you is, did you call The Bachelor? Did you? Like, really? Like, tell me. Give me a wink if you did, because that is literally the most pathetic thing I've ever seen in my entire life. Like, that is fucking the most pathetic thing. Like, let that girl go on The Bachelor and find love, bro. She just wanted to love Ben. She didn't love you no more. Let her find the love. Let her find love. That's fucked up. It is fucked up that you did that. And like I said, if my girlfriend went on The Bachelor, I'd let her go. I'd just let her go. I'd say, you want to go on The Bachelor? You go. And don't ever call me again. This is the best. It just gets better,
What I want. Like, I don't want to be
You can't hear it. Fuck.
Honestly, that doesn't want to marry me. Like, that's not what I want. Like, I don't want to be with, like, I really don't. Like, I wanted to be with someone, like,
I want to be with you.
Really does want to get married. Like, that's really, and it's, like, really hard for me because, like, I guess, like, I can't do that, but, like, I mean, I'm still going to have to go back and, like, I still can't be with him.
Oh, Lord. Oh, no. Not that. Oh, no. She literally says, I got to go back and I can't be with him. Oh, no. Oh, I could never. If some girl talked like that about me, I don't know if it's my ego. I don't know if it's my pride. I don't know what it is, but there's no fucking way. There ain't no way. I'll be like, get the fuck out, bitch. Get the fuck out. You can't be with me. You don't get to be with me. God. I can't be with, what am I going to do, Ben? What am I going to do? I got to go back to Chicago and be with fucking Michael? I can't be with him. Are you kidding me? God. Bro, I'm definitely going to get a lawyer lawsuit today. Damn it. God damn it. Another one. It's coming. I should have framed all the cease and desist that I've gotten from Michael over the years. I should put them on the wall. What are they going to do? I'm going to go to court and they're going to be like, Patrick said that my wife went on The Bachelor. I'm like, well, she did. Patrick said that my wife said that she didn't love me. Well, I didn't say it. She said it. Patrick said that. Yeah, exactly. Hey, again, like I said, don't talk about the BDH. I won't talk about you. It's that simple. You know, really. For anybody out there that's watching, it's very simple. If you don't want to be talked about, don't talk about me. It's that simple. That's all you have to do. Life for everybody, all the influencers, all the YouTubers, everybody on the internet. Your life will be so much better. It'll be so much easier if you just kiss the ring. Just kiss it. Just one little kiss. I'm not asking for like a full-on fucking French makeout session. I'm just, bow down, kiss the ring, and then we can be friends. That's all. That's all. PW doesn't like when people punch down on him. What's that mean? They're punching up, not down. What are you talking about? I'm on the top. No, nobody's punching down. Punching down? I'm up. Yeah, punch down means to attack or criticize someone who is in a worse or less powerful position than you. What are you talking about? Who's punching down on me? Last time I checked, I'm the top. I'm the number one. What are you talking? What? This guy. What are y'all talking about? Number one. All right, I should probably get off of YouTube now before something bad happens and I say something else and get in more trouble today. I try to only get a little bit of trouble every day. That's my goal. Every day, just a little bit of trouble. Not a lot of trouble, but a little bit of trouble. Keeps the doctor away. Keeps it fun, You never know what you're going to get here on the channel. Sometimes we give really good trades, and then other times we give, it's a comedy show. So, it's a comedy show, baby. Woo! Would you give Rips his website back? I actually sold that website. I swear to God, I sold the Market Clubhouse, but I would, if Rips comes to the BDH, I will find a way to get him the .com, marketclubhouse.com. I will. I'm that nice of a person, honestly. PW, when is your special coming out? Well, I'm gonna think like what I'm gonna probably do is like, once I end up getting banned from YouTube forever, that's when I'm going to become a comedian. Like I'm this close. So one day when it finally happens, it'll happen. I remember one time somebody told me they were going to get a court order. Somebody literally told me they were going to get a court order to shut down my YouTube channel. How does that work? You go to court and be like, hello, 911. Yes, there's a guy, Patrick, he's on YouTube. We need to shut it down. Shut him down right now. I don't like the way he talks about, shut him down. Court order, I need a court order right now. Google. Hello, is this Google? Yes, I'm a concerned citizen. I'm very concerned because Patrick Wieland, he's got to get shut down. I want to shut him down. My reply was, are you retarded? I'm just so happy that Trump is president again. I'm just so happy. Because if Kamala was president, I would definitely be in jail. They would arrest me for saying retard way too many times. And again, when I say retard, I'm not talking about actual people that have disabilities, because I'm not making fun of them. I'm honestly not. It's not like I'm not like attacking people with disabilities. I'm attacking people that don't have disabilities that are retarded. It's like different. it's a different way, like, you know, just to make that clear, you know. I just want to make that clear for everybody in the chat. You attacked Danny. I didn't. I want to make it very clear. I did not attack Danny. Danny wrote on Twitter that if he ever saw me in real life, it would be my funeral. And then after that, well, I put him in the ground. So I just want to make that very clear. I did not go after Danny. Danny thought that he could be funny and tell everybody that if he ever saw me in real life, it would be my funeral, which I don't really take well to threats. And I don't really take, you know, like, hey, you can say I'm fat all you want, but like, Patrick's fat, that's fine. But if you're going to make like actual threats, well, then I got to do what I do, and I'm going to put you in the ground. So, you know. Do you know why he tweeted that? I don't know, because he's fucking bipolar psychopath. I don't fucking know. You know? Daniel, hey, Daniel, I do want to make it clear. I know you helped me. You helped me drop the bomb on Danny, but like, he was already retreating when when he posted that video. Like, even if we didn't catch him for the demo account thing, the expectancy alone, like that, it was already over. Like, there was no way of him coming back after the whole expectancy. I do give you credit. Daniel, for being a very key part of that. But I do want to say Danny was very much already retreating when that all happened. So yeah, like he was cooked, but we just like nuclear bomb cooked him. You know, like we cooked him in a normal fryer, but then Daniel came in with like, he's like, hey, I got a fucking nuclear fryer. I'm like, oh, I like a nuclear fryer. Let's try that baby out. Yeah, and that whole video that I-Man made was also, I mean, it was all because of me. You know, like I started the battle. Everybody else was like, Danny Trades is so good. He's up $300,000 on the year. Patrick, you suck. I'm like, the funny part was how many people defended Danny. Like, that's the crazy part. Like, so many people were like, Danny Trades, man, he's the best. He's up $300,000 on the year. On the year. You know, look at the Nasdaq making new highs here, just holding up, wanting to go higher. We pulled back into the VWAP, that 15-minute range, still holding here, guys. 15-minute range on the charts, still holding. There's your 15-minute range breakout from the opening candle, right? 15-minute range breakout. Right there, 270 area. Look at that. Is it a coincidence? I don't know. Man. You know, I pretty much, I don't know about this the same way that I don't know how the fuck Andre is a performance coach. You know, like the same feeling that I have of like, is it a coincidence? But I'm also like, wait, how in the fuck is Andre a performance coach? What is he performing? Fucking a clown show? Like what? I'm confused. There it is. I got to get out of here. I got to stop giving the lawyers stuff to talk about. So I'm going to turn this off, go to Chipotle, come back for Power Hour. That's right. Power Hour today, baby. We'll be back. Oh, God. Put this on there. Ooh. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Ooh, ooh. I'll see you guys later on. If you haven't already hit that like button, subscribe button, you know what to do. We're doing this live every morning from the BDH, guys. What can I say? You know, we just be doing it. Ain't nobody doing it like this. And yeah, there's stuff coming. I know we haven't done everything we wanted to do yet, but we're getting there. There's stuff happening. I've been talking to people. It's just hard. It's hard to like find somebody to come in here and trade all the time. So I'm gonna figure it out. We got some big guests coming. We got some guys coming next week. We've got Nutty Bar Trades coming back. We've got Alpine Trader coming. Possibly we got Rips coming. So a lot of fun stuff coming up. And yeah, we're doing it live at the BDH. So you know what to do. Go ahead and blow it up, baby. The only way possible, by winning.